Hi there, students. Agathokakological. Okay, this is a great word. It's a pretty long one. This means that there is good and bad in everything. And really, I think this is clearly logical because nothing is pure good, nothing is perfect, and nothing is awful. And I think, yes, everything in this world is agathokakological. Yeah, everything has good and bad characteristics. I think we live in an agathokakological world. If you look at the villain in a movie, if you see the baddie always has some good points as well. The villain is never pure evil. There is always something good in him, and the baddie is always agathokakological. Okay, so this means having both good and bad parts, not being all bad, composed of both good and evil. And I think everything is like that. Everything is composed of both goodness and bad things. Okay, so we can't all be perfect. We can't all be perfect people, but we can't be all evil as well. And we're always a mixture of the two. We're always composed of both good and evil. I think agathokakological, composed of two contrasting qualities, consisting of two different states, perhaps expressing contrasting emotions, pain and happiness, for example, but particularly good and bad. Now, if we look at the origin, this word comes from ancient Greek, and we've got agathos, good, and kakos, meaning bad. So agathokako, good and bad, and then logical is how the way it is. And I think everything in this world is agathokakological. I think, for example, the food that you eat, I think it's good for you because you need it, but normally there are some bad qualities within it, something that maybe it makes you fat, or it makes you feel not so well. And that's the idea of agathokakological. It's something that's good and bad. It's a paradox. It has both sides in it. Now, notice this is a word that most native speakers don't know. If they ever learned ancient Greek at school, it's a word that you can actually guess. And I think that in itself is quite funny, that it's actually a guessable word. But I think this is all, with everything in life. Everything in life is agathokakological, good and bad. So, formality. Ooh, I'm going to give it a 6.5 or 7 in formality. I think if you're using it seriously, using a semi-formal writing or something formal, I think you could use it as a joke if you explain it as well. But remember, as I've said, that most native speakers are not going to know this word. Agathos, good. Kakos, bad. Agathological. Yeah, we're all agathokakological. We're all like that. So, agathokakological.